In northeast Hokkaido lies Shiretoko National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site filled with raw natural beauty. In winter, you can witness the unique drift ice, sea ice that floats down from Siberia, while in other seasons, the stunning Shiretoko Five Lakes and towering Mount Rausu offer unforgettable scenery. The area is also famous for its diverse wildlife, from deer and foxes on land to whales and sea eagles offshore. Up next, let's explore the best hotels for your Shiretoko adventure. In summer, bear activity in Shiretoko National Park is high, and there are recorded cases of bears harming people. Stay safe by keeping to designated trails. Guided tours are the safest way to explore. A quick note before we continue. After watching, be sure to check the description for direct links to each hotel, extra tips, and our hotel selection criteria. Disclaimer: I may not have stayed at every hotel featured in this video, but each recommendation is based on thorough research and analysis of recent guest reviews, amenities, and value. Kitakobushi Shiretoko Hotel and Resort is a 3-star retreat in the heart of Utoro Onsen, just 550 meters from the pier and Oronko Rock, with convenience stores and eateries close by. Its Japanese modern style, accented with rustic decor, creates calming interiors that make for a relaxing stay in Shiretoko. Rooms at Kitakobushi Shiretoko Hotel and Resort range from 23 to 100 square meters, noticeably more spacious than most 3-star stays in the region. Entry-level standard twins provide comfort but face only the town, so upgrading to a sea view twin is recommended, offering 36 square meters, a tatami area, and breathtaking views of the Sea of Okhotsk. All rooms include a bathtub, bath amenities, seating area with TV, while upscale options elevate the experience with private onsens, saunas, balconies, and even fireplaces to savor the dramatic scenery. Facilities at Kitakobushi Shiretoko Hotel and Resort combine relaxation, dining, and family-friendly touches. Guests can enjoy indoor and open-air baths with sweeping ocean views and the chance to spot drift ice in winter, or simply admire the scenery from the terrace. A restaurant, lounge, souvenir shop, laundromat, and kids' corner round out the amenities for a complete resort experience. In the quiet embrace of Shiretoko's forests, Kiki Shiretoko Natural Resort offers a 3-star stay just a short distance from Utoro bus terminal. With restaurants close at hand, the property features Japanese, Western, and Japanese modern rooms and suites, each designed to capture either lush forest greenery or the sparkling Sea of Okhotsk. Rooms at Kiki Shiretoko Natural Resort measure 35 to 59 square meters, with entry-level categories remarkably spacious compared to other 3-star hotels in the area, while upscale options are more moderately sized. Each room includes a seating area with TV, bath amenities, yukata, slippers, and an air purifier, with select rooms enhanced by traditional tatami flooring. Facilities at Kiki Shiretoko Natural Resort offer something for everyone, from a restaurant with hearty buffet spreads for breakfast and dinner to indoor and open-air baths, complemented by a sauna. A kids club keeps younger travelers entertained, while the theater lounge and souvenir shop provide cozy spaces and local keepsakes. Set amid forested hills with sweeping views of the Sea of Okhotsk, Shiretoko Daiichi Hotel offers a tranquil 3-star escape. Guests can choose from traditional Japanese or Japanese Western-style rooms, each designed to frame either mountain landscapes or ocean horizons. Shiretoko Daiichi Hotel, guest rooms measure 32 to 105 square meters, making them spacious enough for all kinds of travelers. Amenities include bath essentials, yukata, an air purifier, seating area, and TV, with many rooms also offering large windows and tatami flooring for a cozy Japanese atmosphere. From dining to entertainment, Shiretoko Daiichi Hotel delivers a well-rounded resort stay. 3 restaurants include one with breathtaking views of the mountains and sea, complemented by indoor and open-air onsens for relaxation. Families will love the indoor pool with slides and the lively game plaza, while a lobby lounge, cafe, and shop add everyday convenience. Hotel Kifu Club Shiretoko is a charming 3-star family-run retreat just 1 kilometer from Utoro Onsen, offering a serene atmosphere surrounded by nature. Guests can choose between modern rooms or cozy log cabins, each featuring warm wooden interiors that create a homelike and relaxing stay. At Hotel Kifu Club Shiretoko, entry-level rooms measure only 10 square meters, so guests are encouraged to upgrade to the 17 square meter Japanese room or 24 square meter standard twin for better comfort. Families and groups will find plenty of space in the 30 square meter log cabin or the 48 square meter quadruple room. Amenities include a work desk, yukata, hairdryer, and toiletries, with some rooms offering bathtubs and unforgettable ocean vistas. Hotel Kifu Club Shiretoko enhances its family-run charm with a restaurant serving both breakfast and dinner and a cozy lounge complete with a fireplace. Guests can soak in the indoor and open-air onsens, take care of essentials at the laundromat, or step out onto the wood deck to watch the sunset paint the horizon.